Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over notes and comments. We will first start by inserting a note with the current street address that states please update with new address. So let's do that. We'll go to the current street address, which is in cell B4. We will go to review, notes, new note, and we will type please update with new address. And when you click off, it'll automatically save. You'll know there's a note there by this red triangle in the upper right-hand corner of the cell. And if we hover over it, we can view it. Now, our next step is to change this to a comment. So still in our review tab, we can go to notes, convert to comments, hit convert all notes. And now you see this purple shape. If we hover over it, we see this is what a comment looks like. And essentially that just allows a threaded conversation to go back and forth between multiple people. So maybe you're sharing this with a coworker and you guys want to comment back and forth to each other. Our last piece is going to be directing this comment to somebody from the start. So if we hover over it, we go to these three dots and click edit. At the front of the comment, type the @ symbol. So that's Shift 2 on your keyboard, and you can just type Joe. And if you just click off, it'll automatically direct this to that contact. So for purposes of this example, Joe's not in our contact list, but we can just hit save. So now if Joe was in our list, he would get a notification saying we have left him a comment on this workbook.